Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Here's a comprehensive and structured breakdown of Promise to Pay rate a role of AI and its influence in outbound contact centers, particularly in collections, recovery, and retention functions. One of the most effective ways to elevate PTP performance is through smarter lead targeting and prioritization. First, leverage AI-powered lead scoring. Machine learning models can rank leads based on payment history, risk profile, behavioral data, and previous interactions, ensuring agents focus on the most promising accounts. Second, use dynamic prioritization. With AI continuously reordering calling lists, high-probability accounts rise to the top of the queue, ensuring valuable time is spent where it matters most. The outcome? Agents spend less time chasing low-yield contacts and more time securing strong, reliable promises. Simply put, better lead focus means higher PTP conversion rates and stronger overall performance. Another powerful AI application in driving PTP performance is real-time agent assist and decision support. First, live script prompts. AI provides rebuttals, negotiation tips, and compliance scripting in real time during the call, helping agents handle objections more effectively. Second, sentiment analysis. AI can detect customer emotions, whether hesitant, receptive, or frustrated, and instantly recommend adaptive responses that increase the chance of securing a commitment. And third, confidence boost. With real-time guidance, even new hires can perform at a higher level faster, closing the skill gap and improving overall consistency. In short, smarter conversations lead to stronger commitments, and stronger commitments drive higher PTP rates. One of the most transformative ways to increase PTP performance is through personalized and predictive engagement powered by AI. First, next best action engines. AI predicts the most effective payment offer, script, or settlement strategy for each individual customer, enabling more targeted and impactful conversations. Second, behavioral insights. By analyzing browsing history, past payment timing, and customer personas, AI personalizes outreach, making every interaction more relevant and human. And third, timing optimization. AI can predict the best time to contact each customer, increasing the likelihood of securing a firm commitment. In short, the right message at the right moment drives stronger promise rates and a healthier collections funnel. One of the most effective ways to close the gap between promise and payment is through automation of follow-up and promise fulfillment. First, automated reminders. AI can trigger timely SMS, email, or WhatsApp nudges before the promise date, helping reduce broken promises and last-minute delays. Second, self-service enablement. Chatbots and virtual assistants empower customers to confirm, reschedule, or fulfill their promises without needing agent support, making the process faster and more convenient. And third, the result? A strong uplift in PTP kept rates. Automation ensures that the momentum created at the time of promise doesn't get lost along the way. Simply put, strong follow-through leads to higher PTP kept rates, greater efficiency, and more predictable revenue outcomes. One of the most strategic uses of AI in PTP management is predictive forecasting and performance optimization. First, PTP prediction models. AI can forecast likely promise outcomes by analyzing historical patterns, campaign types, and economic signals, giving leaders a clear picture of what's ahead. Second, capacity planning. Accurate forecasting enables smarter staffing, better follow-up scheduling, and sharper revenue planning, ensuring resources are aligned with real performance potential. And third, exception management. High-risk promises can be automatically flagged for manual intervention, allowing teams to focus their efforts where it matters most. In short, better foresight means stronger operational control, more predictable outcomes, and higher realized revenue. A critical component of sustainable PTP performance is quality assurance and strong governance. First, call monitoring at scale. With AI, organizations can analyze 100% of calls for compliance, tone, and promise quality, not just random samples. Second, PTP validation. AI helps identify weak or vague promises in real time and triggers targeted coaching interventions to improve commitment quality. And third, fraud and error reduction. By minimizing inflated or inaccurate PTP entries, data integrity is strengthened, ensuring more reliable forecasting and reporting. The result is simple: high-quality promises lead to more accurate forecasting, better SLA performance, and stronger financial outcomes. Another powerful way to drive sustainable PTP performance is through agent training and skill acceleration powered by AI. First, microlearning modules. AI identifies skill gaps from real call data and automatically recommends targeted training to strengthen specific negotiation or communication areas. Second, coaching insights. Managers receive actionable feedback that helps them guide agents more effectively, improving their ability to close stronger commitments. And third, ramped-up acceleration. With personalized learning paths, new agents reach higher PTP productivity faster, shortening the learning curve and boosting overall performance. In short, better skills, faster learning, and stronger outcomes create a more capable and confident frontline. One of the biggest advantages of applying AI in PTP management is the strategic and financial leverage it creates. First, reduced CPA. AI helps secure higher promise rates with fewer calls, which improves overall cost efficiency and maximizes operational ROI. Second, revenue growth. By securing and keeping more promises, organizations can directly boost their collection performance and strengthen cash flow. And third, scalability. AI enables contact centers to handle larger lead volumes without needing proportional staffing increases, a true force multiplier for growth. In short, AI elevates both operational effectiveness and financial outcomes, making PTP performance more predictable, efficient, and scalable. Here's the key insight to remember. AI doesn't just influence PTP rate, it reshapes the entire promise-to-collection journey. From targeting the right leads to ensuring those promises are actually kept, AI strengthens every step of the process. And the impact? It's powerful. Higher PTP and PTP kept rates. Faster, smarter workflows. Lower costs and higher recovery. Scalable, sustainable performance. In short, AI transforms PTP from just a metric into a strategic growth engine. It drives operational precision, financial impact, and long-term scalability. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.